Microscopes for fry screening. The meat of fish is delicious and nutritious. Be seen on the tables of countries all over the world. It is widely consumed and has high commercial value. So how to raise fish with high yield and high density? Action and cultivation of fry is very important. This requires the use of a microscope. Using a stereo microscope can clearly observe the development of fish eggs. For example, you can observe whether the fry have scales, broken tails, rotten tails, etc., which is very helpful for screening and identifying high-quality fry. In the cultivation of zebrafish for research, we can use a professional stereo fluorescence microscope to screen the eggs and fry with good dyeing to ensure the subsequent experimental results. The image is clear and the fluorescence signal is strong. What do you think?